Welcome to CalSoft CRM. Let's get started. This is a ready-built, fully customizable platform designed to bring sales, marketing, communication, and operations together seamlessly in one system. This is your dashboard, your real-time command center. Get instant visibility into pipeline health, daily activities, and revenue performance, all in one place. Everything your team needs to stay aligned and focused. Let's start by adding leads. With CalSoft CRM, leads can come from anywhere through webhooks, native marketplace integrations, websites, landing pages, and forms. You can also bulk import leads using Excel or CSV files. During import, assign owners, apply rules, and attach leads to sequences. Using workflow automation, you control how leads are assigned and engaged. CalSoft CRM includes built-in WhatsApp Business Verified messaging, fully integrated into the CRM. You can use WhatsApp-approved message templates, configure message workflows synced with CRM data, create and run WhatsApp campaigns, track conversations, delivery, and responses directly inside the CRM. All WhatsApp communication stays linked to the lead, contact, and deal records, giving full visibility to your team. Want to go further? CalSoft CRM lets you build profile-based sequences based on lead source, role, region, or stage. Design sequences that combine automated and manual actions across multiple channels: emails, call tasks and reminders, WhatsApp and WhatsApp business messages, LinkedIn manual touchpoints. For example, day 1, automated email. Next, WhatsApp message, then call task. Later, a LinkedIn or personalized follow-up. Everything runs in the right order at the right time. Your team stays consistent, your prospects stay engaged. As conversations progress, CalSoft CRM keeps everything in one place. Calls, tasks, emails, WhatsApp messages, notes, and reminders, all captured in a single unified timeline. This gives teams complete context, smoother collaboration, and faster decision-making. Let's talk about closing deals. Deals are managed with full customer context, so your sales team always knows the complete history. CalSoft CRM's visual sales pipeline shows exactly where each deal stands. Move deals across stages with simple drag-and-drop actions. And because everything is customizable, your pipeline always reflects your real sales process. Here's the contacts view, where every customer relationship is managed centrally. After a deal is created and progressed, the associated record is represented as a contact, forming a complete customer profile. Each contact stays connected to deals, conversations, activities, and history, ensuring full continuity across sales and post-sales. Built-in reports deliver real-time insights into pipeline performance, team productivity, and revenue trends. Leaders gain clarity. Managers track progress. Teams stay aligned. Every business is different. CalSoft CRM is fully customizable, from fields and workflows to automation and access control. It helps partners deliver flexible, all-in-one solutions that scale. Start building smarter sales processes today.